Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. This is going to be my unboxing video for February's box. We're super excited about it. This one was We're Seeing Red. February, Valentine's Day, you get it. So everything was red in this package. So here we go. And as I'm filming this, many of you probably already have your box. So no surprise here. We've got a few we still got to ship out. As I'm filming this video, we'll get taken care of tomorrow. So if you haven't gotten your shipping notification, you'll get it tomorrow. And I appreciate the support on this. You guys are awesome. So level 1, let's go. You got a Vanquest med patch here. I like this one because it's red. So during the day, you look down, you're like, oh, there's a red patch. There's my IFAC. There's my first aid kit. So that's helpful. At night, the med glows really bright. So at night, when you open up your trunk, you're digging through your trunk trying to find your med kit, this is glowing MED. That way it helps you find it at night. So helping you find your first aid kit faster, I think this is really helpful. So there's that. We did a red CPR mask. Now, I understand that CPR really has gotten to hands only, which is perfect. But if someone has drowned or they are choking, they still need mouth to mask. And this is a good one. This is the one that seals across the face, has a one-way valve. I like these better than the little plastic shields. When you go into cardiac arrest, you vomit, nasty stuff comes up, and these bigger masks do a better job of sealing that, keeping it out of your mouth, which is always important. We did the H&H bandage here. I've done a video on this. I love this bandage because it's so low profile. Look at that. Look how small it is. You can put this in your backpack, your day bag, your man purse, or whatever, and you have a pressure bandage that doesn't take up a lot of space and helps you carry more medical when you actually need it. So this is where I messed up. I thought I was ordering the 7-inch shears, and apparently I got the 5-inch shears. They must have shrunk in shipping, but these are good trauma shears. These are what are on pretty much every ambulance in America. They're disposable, so if you leave them on scene, it's not a huge deal. But they're sharp. They'll cut a penny. That's what you guys want to see, but they'll do it. So that, because I thought I ordered the 7-inch and the price difference, I want to make sure you guys are taken care of. So I did include a small bottle of antibiotic ointment in the level 1 kits. Just make sure you guys are covered there. The triple antibiotic ointment is great for those of you who have little kids, things like that. You can always use antibiotic ointment. So we included this in our level 1 kit. Alright, so level 2 got everything minus the triple antibiotic ointment. We took the triple antibiotic ointment out of level 2 and level 3 because you are really getting a good deal on level 2 and level 3, so we did it that way. Level 2 is getting Celox Rapid. We did the Celox Beacon, which is a little bit smaller packaging before, but this is a larger Celox. I like this stuff. It works great. And you can always use more hemostatic agent to help control bleeding. So there. Alright, so you guys have been asking what kind of bag we're going to get. We've already included a large EMT bag to kind of help put some stuff in a vehicle. So we want to kind of scale it down a little bit, maybe look for an IFAC size bag. What I decided to go with, you guys, is the Vanquest 5x8. This is a good size pack. It's not too small, but not too big. High-fin chest seals, the Halo chest seals will fit in here. The Israeli, the pressure bandage, the H&H pressure bandage, tourniquet, all that will fit inside here. It's got good material. It's Cadora fabric, so it's held up well. I like the Vanquest gear, so we included that in our level 3 for you. So that's what was February's. March is what we're taking orders for right now. And March, of course, like the M.A.R.C.H algorithm, massive bleeding, airway, respiratory circulation, heat loss, we got to do it. So March is going to be March, and also March is National Stop the Bleed Month. So I think that's what we're going to kind of filter towards and go after is the M.A.R.C.H algorithm and stop the bleed. So I appreciate all the support on these guys. You guys are very awesome. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.